How to use keyframes in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use keyframes in CapCut so you can create smooth animations like zooms, movements, and transactions as well. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the CapCut, just tap on new video to start a new project. And after that, on the next page, simply select the video that you want to edit, and after that you can just tap on add button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you do that, the video will be added to the timeline. And now here, once you have done that, you can just tap on the video clip that you want to animate, and this will open the editing options at the bottom. And here, once you have done that, you can just look for the diamond shape icon. So here you can just see diamond shaped icon just above the video clip. So there you can just tap on it, and there it will start a keyframe section for you. So the diamond option is also known as the keyframe tool. So there you can just tap on it to add your first keyframes. And here at the first keyframes, you can set your initial positions like zoom level, position or rotation as well. And this is where the animation begins. Now here with that, you can move the playhead forward to a few seconds, and there you can again add a keyframes, and there you can also change the positions, scales and angle as well. And CapCut will automatically create a second keyframes in there. Now there you can just go and change it as much as you like, and CapCut will keep on adding the keyframes. And here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on play, and there you'll see smooth zoom in out, movement across the screen, and the rotation effects as well. And that's it. That's how you can use keyframes in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.